Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the current version and creating a quick full backup. This protects settings and data. Once done, free at least 10% disk space and connect to power so the update won't abort. Make sure your network is stable. Use wired when possible. Next, open the updater or package manager and authenticate with admin credentials. This gets you immediately into the install queue. Do not skip verifying integrity hashes if available, because they prevent corrupted installs. You now execute the core update. Run the update command or hit install and watch progress and logs for errors. If dependencies prompt, choose the recommended resolution unless you know the package implications, because conflicts can break apps. Once files install, follow post-install prompts and check service statuses. Some daemons restart automatically, while others require manual start. Make sure to schedule any lengthy migrations in off hours. If migrations run, leave the process uninterrupted until the tool reports completion. You finish by verifying the new version and performing a quick smoke test of critical features so you detect regressions early. Once done, restore individual settings from backup only when needed. Avoid wholesale restores that reintroduce old bugs. If something fails, check updater logs and system journal for error codes, then consider rolling back to a snapshot or previous version. As a troubleshooting tip, reproduce the error capture logs and use the specific error code when searching or reporting for a faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.